Auburn traffic, helicopter 2 Kilo Papa on the go, 35, close traffic, Auburn.
50 knots, climb out.
Nice. Feel the weightlessness.
I don't see a lot of precip hitting our windshield. Guess the visibility is not great.
Right. Is a good thing, right?
Yeah, it's good to not have precipitation. Because the rain or the snow can kind of make the windshield less visible, right?
Right.
Harder to see through.
Right. How do you gauge the wind direction here?
I would look at our ground speed versus our airspeed.
Okay.
So if you look at my left hand and where my finger's pointing, the 64 kT, that's our ground speed in knots. And our airspeed, so this is our ground speed in knots, 66, 65. Our airspeed is pretty close. So this is our airspeed.
Gotcha.
There's not a lot of wind at the moment where we are.
Auburn traffic, helicopter 2 Kilo Papa on left downwind 35. We'll make a south departure from downwind, Auburn.
So let's head south. Head towards the lake and the river.
Copy that. So, when do you speak with air traffic? How do you know?
We're at what's called an uncontrolled airport, and that means there's no control tower.
Okay.
So in that situation, we just announce our intentions.
Okay.
I announce where I am, who I am, where I am, and what are my intentions.
Alright.
Other people would do the same. Other people that want to use the airport would do the same.
Okay.
They would say who they are, where they are, and what they plan to do.
Okay. We're heading towards south.
Yes. So our compass is saying we're heading 120 heading.
Right.
South is actually 180 that
Right.
way. Southeast.
Right. It's interesting that how you figure out way back.
Yeah, and we have a moving map here. So we're kind of the center there. We're heading towards this lake.
Right.
But the airport is where this flag is, Auburn Municipal Airport. So we have a moving map to find our way back.
Right.
You can kind of see a building with a display.
Yes.
That's a casino.
Ah, nice. That's a football field here.
Yeah, probably a school.
Right.
Football and baseball, I see.
Right. So our altitude right now is about
900 feet above sea
900
level. Altitude, airspeed, and direction.
direction. Okay. That's the South Lake, or?
Auburn air traffic, Blue Light Pilatus, taxiing from the ramp to runway 35, Auburn.
This looks like a construction area.
Okay.
They're digging up some dirt.
Okay. Like a mountain somewhere.
Yeah, I'm familiar with the area, so we're not heading into big mountains.
Wow. Some sort of mining?
I'm not sure. I'm not that familiar with the area. Maybe they did dig up gravel or
Right.
dirt. A mist.
Yep.
But there's a lake in front of us.
Yeah, I see that.
The yarn is wet and kind of sticking to the windshield, so we don't really get to see it floating around.
Right, but I can see it now.
I mean, the yarn did tell us.
Right.
You were asking about it earlier.
Yep.
All right, you see a bird?
Yeah, I
Crow?
do. Yep.
Gotta watch out for birds. Another bird.
Yeah. But they don't fly that high, right?
Some of them can. There are some hawks that get up here and higher too.
Wow.
We'll descend a bit and skim the lake.
Nice. Now the fun part, right?
Well, a little more interesting when things are a little closer.
Okay. Wow. Nice. The snow, oh wow, there's some ducks there. It's so calm. No disturbance at all.
Yeah, it's not too windy today. Earlier in the day it was kind of gusty. I was a little bit worried about the gusts, but it looks like it's calm.
Right, that's good.
Nice homes.
Yeah.
On the waterfront.
Yeah.
Lakefront.
Yeah.
Another bird.
Duck. There are lots of fish here, right?
There should be. I'm not. I don't fish.
Okay.
So, but one of the guys in the ADA team likes to fish. I think he fishes every weekend.
Oh wow.
So
nice.
Seagulls. We don't want to get too close to the lake.
Yeah, right. I can see a lot of birds.
You don't see them until you're up close.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we'll kind of do a U-turn. That duck dived into the water.
I saw that. That's cool. Wow. Hope doesn't flood here during rainy season.
This area, I don't hear about flooding. There are certain areas in Seattle that do have problems with flooding.
Okay. We're catching up altitude now.
Yeah, because we're departing the lake to the east.
Okay.
I don't want to get too close to the homes. They get annoyed when we buzz them.
Right.
So now we'll go look for a river, do a river run.
Right. Everything is kind of white here. Is it because of the snow? Is it snow?
It is, yeah. We got a little bit of a flurry.
Yeah, right. I forgot.
It looks like the flurries left some white stuff behind.
Yeah.
And downtown Seattle, you won't see as much snow, but in the suburbs, you'll see more snow.
Right.
So we're just crossing this little ridge here, and then after these homes, actually just ahead of us, you can see a river.
Yeah, I see that. It's like a little stream.
Yeah. So I'm gonna cross the river, go to the other side, circle around to my right, and then we'll descend down into the river and just follow the river for a short bit.
Sure thing.
I saw some elk on this river, I was telling you earlier, a few weeks ago, a herd of elk.
Oh, nice. Hope we see today something.
It always gets kind of random. I've done the river run maybe 5 times.
Okay.
That was the first time I saw the elk. Okay, I'm gonna big circle to my right. We'll descend into the river. So far comfortable?
Yeah, I'm enjoying actually.
Not too nervous?
No, not at all.
In the river, it'll get a little tighter. We'll make steeper turns.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
This is a semi-outdoor amphitheater.
No one there?
Just below, yeah.
Okay.
So they'll probably do concerts and such, and then probably more in the summertime.
Okay.
Okay, just beyond these trees, we're going to drop below into the river.
Nice. Do people kayak here in this river?
If they do, it'll be river kayak. They're going to get some whitewater. You see some of these wave caps?
Yeah.
Whitewater kayaking, right? So it's a river kayak, not a sea kayak.
Right. Be careful with the driftwoods and stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. This is fun. Oh, wow.
A little tighter up here.
Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, gosh. Nice. Oh, wow. Oh, I can feel the,
The G-forces.
the G-forces, yeah. Nice. Oh. Ah, nice. The water is very clear, no?
Yeah.
Nice.
The springtime, I'll sit down and land up here.
Oh, wow, yeah. Nice.
The springtime will have more runoff from the mountains,
Okay.
and then the water will be more vigorous.
Nice.
You can see some tire tracks, so
Yeah, I see
ATVs have been here.
that. Yeah. Oh.
See some footprints too.
Wow, I can see the...
Let's face the cliff a little bit before I sit down.
Nice. Wow.
We are on the ground.
Nice.